Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in here, we will continue again the tutorial part two. So last time we already make a rectangle, the rectangle screen, and now we will make a circle screen. So this is the preview, the circle screen. So there's a logo and this one, and it only have one text box, and yeah, we'll make it. So it's easy. You just copy the screen and then name it circle underscore screen. And next, it will be like this. And yeah, you just change the logo into a circle, and then this one change the color into the same color like that. Yes, and then this one change into circle. And yeah, after that, we only need to delete this text box. Delete this text box and yeah, change this one into a background green and then the color. Yeah, don't forget the color from here. From here, you can see the color. Just copy the color code, and then pass in here. Okay, okay, okay. And the last one is done. Okay, next, for the next one, the that one, the area will be 707. What is 707? And for this one will be, is it okay, 95? Okay, that's all for the circle screen. Oh yeah, forget this one, change into circle. Okay, that's all. Very simple for one screen. Oh yeah, don't forget the this one, change into circle screen. I mean just circle. Okay, now we will go to the next, that is parallelogram. Yeah, this is, yeah, have a three uh text box. So we go to the rectangle screen first because it has two text box, and copy the screen and then name it parallelogram screen. Yeah, parallelogram screen. And then next, we'll just change it to parallelogram, and then for this one, uh, parallelogram. And for the color, yeah, the color will be kind hard, maybe on that one. Okay, maybe yo. Okay, around that one, parallelogram. So next, it has three text box. We just copy this, and don't forget the space. Okay, three text box. And next, change this into calculate the parallelogram, and then change the background into blue. And then next, change this one. Oh yeah, copy again from here the text color. Then paste in here all of it. Okay, and it's done. Oh yeah, don't forget the number. The number should be 10 and 14. Okay, 10 and 14. And don't forget the last one is the title. The title will be parallelogram. not that one. Okay, that's for a parallelogram. Yeah, very easy. We just copy and edit. And next, we will go to the rhombus. So rhombus, yeah, we just like this the preview. Yeah, it's very easy. So you just copy the screen into rhombus underscore screen. Okay, this is the rhombus screen. So you just change this into rhombus, and then change this one into rhombus image, and then change this one into rhombus. And for the color, you find it by yourself. It's kind of hard. Okay, easy. Never mind. And yeah, don't forget to copy the color. Okay. And then this one change into rhombus. And then for this, the background should be orange. Not orange, actually. Which one is pink? No, yeah, pink. Okay, for the background is pink, and then next the color. Yeah, you just we already copy it and then pass it over there. Pass it, and then yo, how I move? Oh, I can move this. Okay, no, never mind. Change the number. So for the area, the number in rhombus is 130, 130. Ah, finally. And then for the this one is 78. And then you just change the color on there and in here over there. Okay, that's all for the rhombus. As you can see, that's all for the rhombus. And then yeah, we'll go into the next one is a square. Okay, is there any square here? There is no square. Okay, for the square is only has a one, so we just go to circle and copy it. Square underscore screen, and yeah, it's done. Next, change this one into square. Then next, the image, the picture will be where it is square. Then for the I mean, what is that? Oh yeah, this is one. The text will be square, and for the color it should be same like before. So we just go to Rhombus and copy the color because it has the same color actually. Okay, go to square and then go to here and then pass it, and yeah, done. And for this one, I just change it into a sphere. I mean square. And the next, this one change into a pink, another pink. And for this one, you just change the color, and the color. Okay, the color. Okay, that's all for square. Yeah, very, very easy and fast. Okay, next, we'll go to the next screen. That is trapeze. Yeah, trapeze. Yo, this is have force tech text box. So we'll go to rectangle now. The one who have three this one. Okay, copy it and trapeze, name it trapeze underscore screen. And then next, click this one, and then trapeze. And this one is copy trapeze. Okay, for the text color is easy. Just go to yellow, and you can get to like to bright. I mean. Okay, maybe around here. Okay, okay, don't forget to copy the color. And then next, this one change into uh, trapeze. Then next, copy. No, don't copy first because we already copied the color code. Not this one. I mean, already copied the color. Where is it? It should be orange. Oh yeah, orange. Because we already copy the color code. And then next for this area, yeah, you just paste the color code over here, and then this over here, this one over there, and the last one. Oh. And for the number is 120 and 140. Okay, this one 120, and for this one 140. Okay, next the last one is to copy the text box in here. Boom. Okay, that's all for the trapeze. Oh yeah, the last one is to rename it. The title is trapeze. Okay, that's all for trapeze. We are done, and we will go to the last one. It will be triangle. Wait, triangle. Yeah, there is no triangle. Okay, it has three, so we just go to the rectangle. No, to the parallelogram, and then copy that and change it into triangle underscore screen. Okay, it's done. Next, we just go do the triangle image. Then this one is changed to triangle. And for the color is green. Is easy. Model. Okay, we got it. And then copy the color. And for this one, change into uh triangle. And then for this one, the background will be green, and the area, yeah, we just copy the color, then copy the color. Hey, sorry guys. Okay, for the number is 60 and 30, so we just go to here, this is area, and this is this should be 60, and this one 30. Yeah, and change the color. Boom, and boom. Okay, so that's all for triangle. I mean triangle screen. Oh yeah, forget the last one. I will forget this one. Yeah, that's the title. Just change it into triangle to the name. Okay. Uh, that's all for triangle. And wait, let me see. Okay, there's one thing to do. Let me count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. And this one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Okay, we have done for all of the screen, and yeah, I forget something that is uh to add decoration. Yeah, add decoration in every single calculator screen. So let's start it. We go to calculator screen first, and then go to utilities, and take decoration and just put over there. Okay, done. And next go to rectangle and put decoration. Boom, done. And next circle. So for screen one we don't need decoration, just go to circle, then put the decoration. Boom. And next parallelogram. Okay, uh rhombus, then square, and trapeze, and the last one is decoration. Okay, okay, for what we do this, so it will be useful for the code, because In block code, uh, we will use the decoration. So we will use the decoration, and but we will make it in part 3. So this is for second part. Yeah, that's all for the second part. We already make all the screen, and next in part 3 we will make about the block code. And yeah, this is faster than last episode because last episode took around 15, yeah, around 15, I mean 25, yeah, and this one only took around 16 or 17 minutes. Okay, uh maybe that's all from me for this second part of calculator app tutorial. Yeah, and yeah, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.